On two isolated islands, far from the rest of the world, two civilizations were born. One would become known as the Red Civilization, the other, the Blue Civilization. Separated by the sea, unaware of each other's future, both began their journey at the same time. And for the first 100 years, their evolution was almost identical. Both civilizations expanded slowly but steadily. They built their first houses. Cotherwood discovered farming and learned how to survive. Their populations grew at a similar pace. Their technology level remained equal. At this point, no one could predict which civilization would dominate the world. After the first century, their paths began to separate. The Red Civilization focused on progress. They invested in knowledge, tools, and infrastructure. Their buildings became stronger, more advanced, and better organized. The Blue Civilization, however, chose a different path. They expanded rapidly, building many houses and increasing their population much faster than the Red Civilization. The Red Civilization constructed a mine. This allowed them to extract valuable minerals and metals. With these resources, they improved weapons, tools, and buildings. The Blue Civilization had no mines. Instead, they focused on defense. They built a control tower, watching the seas and preparing for a possible conflict. Hundreds of years passed. 200. 300 years of development. Both civilizations grew rich. They produced bread, farmed the land, fished the seas, and stored gold. They trained soldiers, strengthened their armies, and prepared for the unknown. Each civilization believed itself to be strong. Each believed it was ready. In the year 452, disaster struck. A brutal winter froze the land, followed by devastating floods. Many lives were lost, but both civilizations survived. By the year 700, the difference was clear. The Blue Civilization had twice as many houses as the Red. But the Red Civilization was far more advanced. Their buildings, weapons, and technology were superior. After the year 900, the final years of peace began. Both civilizations trained their armies relentlessly. They built monuments and sculptures, honoring their beliefs and gods. They prepared for war, even if they didn't know when it would come. Tension filled the air. Peace was coming to an end. The Red Civilization declared war. Their ships sailed toward the Blue Island. The Blue Civilization, despite its population, was underdeveloped. They stood no chance. Within 20 years, the Red Civilization destroyed the Blue Army and eventually conquered the entire island.